Tuesday afternoon, and the masons got the stairs and the sidewalk formed, and they also got the rebar in. And yesterday they backfilled it and built some of the forms too. It's been a little slower for the carpenters. They did wrap these posts yesterday, and today they only had one carpenter over, and I'm not sure what he did. He was working inside. But I think when the roof trusses get here, it's going to start going fast and furious again. I'm in the front now. I see the beams for the top deck have arrived. Well, they built a seat for the bathroom off the bedroom downstairs. And all these braces that were in the lower level have been removed. Oh yeah, they built the arch over that entryway. And here's another arch that they did over the entry by the door. I'm on the second floor now, and I don't really see any changes here the last couple of days. They may have done a little work here, but it's not real obvious. Well, the masons are digging out the area where they are going to build a wall around the propane tank. Now, this is a lot of nails. There's a lot of metal in this house, not to mention the nails and the metal they've already used. If you had a strong enough magnet, you could probably pick the house up. I think the carpenters put some more sheeting up today. James, the framing contractor, said that for the next few days we're not going to see a lot of obvious changes. The next big step is going to be the trusses, and they're due somewhere around Tuesday or Wednesday. Oh, okay, here's something that wasn't here yesterday, or at least I didn't notice it. It's Friday, week 11. The stairs for the side here have been formed, rebar, backfilled, and this area here surrounding the propane tank has been almost finished. The carpenters have done a little bit of work here, mostly just been Steve here. They've surrounded the posts here, wrapped the post. They've done a little bit more wrapping on the outside, and they've done a few things on the inside too. Steve put these beams together Friday. They're the ones that go over the back deck, and he decided to do that on the ground rather than do it, up in the air. It'd be a lot easier that way. And look at these huge bolts here to bolt it down. This picture of the front doesn't look a whole lot different than the one from last week. Right now they're waiting for the roof trusses to be delivered, and that's scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday. So there should be a lot of changes in the front picture next week.